Hi, welcome back. This is Donna with ABC Cake Decorating Supplies. Now we're on lesson 3 of our chocolate and candy journey. Next, it's the wedding potpourri. Basically, it's like a kitchen sink. Anything that you can find in your pantry that you like can be thrown in here. What we need, a bowl. And then everything you can find. One of the things that we're going to be doing in a later lesson is going to be chocolate covered caramel pretzels. Well, when you go to the store and you buy your bag of pretzel rods, a lot of them come broken. We're going to use some of our broken pretzel rods, and we're just going to break them up some more. This is anything you want to add to this, you can add to it. If you've got nuts, if you've got a special type of cracker you like, one of the things is there's no wrong way of doing this. So, we've got pretzels, and as more stuff you have, just the bigger batch you're going to get. And when it's all done, I'll show you. For the wedding theme, we bagged them and put them in cute little gift bags so that your guests can take home with them. We did it in white with chocolate drizzle, which is the one we're going to show today. And then we also just have the regular milk chocolate one for those that like the milk chocolate. Pretzels. Then we've got, now when you do your chocolate covered potato chips, sometimes people just take them and dip a half of a potato chip in chocolate and let them dry, and then you have your chocolate covered potato chips. You don't really want to break these down too much, but you kind of just want to break up some of the big ones, because as we get to stirring all of this, we just don't want them to be just too big that everybody just gets a potato chip. Then popcorn. Who does not like popcorn? I'm going to put popcorn in here. Then later on, we're going to be doing chocolate covered Oreos. So I have, or chocolate covered cookies. These, I thought it would be nice to have the vanilla and the dark. Again, you don't want to break these up too much, because you do want to get a bite of it. Throw these in here. And oh my gosh, how can this be bad? It's all the good stuff. Then I have a little granddaughter. She's 3, and she, Grandma, I love marshmallows. So I went out and I bought just a whole bag of cereal marshmallows. Throw these in here. Oh, throw them in there. We are in there. Look at this. Look at how this is coming along. Ooh. Then we've got some toasted coconut. Maybe. Sprinkle some toasted coconut. Then we've got toffee chips. Now these are kind of a Rice Krispie, but if you notice, they're small. These are more like when you find the crisp chocolate bars, because they're very small. And I think they call them rice, small crispy rice. They're made for chocolate. And pour some of these in here. I'm going to pull this over so they don't go flying everywhere. Now, for the best part, everything covered in chocolate, how can that be bad? So we're going to take our chocolate, going to pour our chocolate on here. Like I say, if you have nuts or whatever kind of treats you want to put in here, then we're going to kind of toss it like a salad. That's why I usually mix it in a bowl, because I'm able to get in there and mix it really good. And you just want to make sure. Also, if you want, you can just pop popcorn and just add white chocolate to it. Mix it all up, and then once it hardens, break it up. That is some of the best popcorn, and because it's white on white, a lot of people don't expect it, and when they taste it, oh my gosh, what is this? Well, it's a chocolate popcorn. Now look at this. And if you wanted to use those little pretzels that look like a pretzel, little pretzel shape, I think that's what were in here. That they come out really cute too. So every time I make this, it's different because depending upon what I have. Then, after it's good and mixed, we are going to take it. And again, if you follow me through any of my cake journeys, parchment paper is my friend. I'm going to spread it all out. Spread it out. Then we're going to just drizzle it with chocolate, and then once it hardens, you just break it up, and then you put it into little gift bags, or you can stick it into a pretty bowl. And just gonna drizzle. And this is where, if you like to use or want to experiment with any of those chocolate tools, this would be a good way to drizzle. I find a fork works really good, and we're going to go through that in some of the other lessons about our chocolate. This is our chocolate potpourri. After you've drizzled your chocolate, this is pretty much what it looks like until we put it in the refrigerator. This will probably take maybe 8 minutes. We'll put it in our refrigerator. We're going to let it chill. And like I say, you can put it in a bag, or if you have a pretty little bowl, thought this would be a cute little bowl. It's kind of a quiche dish. Let's see if it's ready. So here we are. You can see, oh yes, it's starting to break up. It's nice about having parchment paper. It can help lift it up for you. We're gonna put it in here. Now, if it was Christmas time, or if you have a different theme, you could use colored chocolates. You could sprinkle Christmas sprinkles on it. And there you are. This is your presentation for your wedding potpourri. Could be Christmas potpourri, birthday potpourri. Only other thing I want to say is I'm going to add a little bit. This is called glitter flake, and it adds just a little bit of a pizzazz to it. It takes it from just kind of boring to wow. I will tell you that this is going to be one of those things that goes quickly. Somebody's going to take a little bite, like it, take another little bite, like it, and then it's going to be all gone, and you're going to need to make more. Also, you can take this, put it in a baggie, put it in your pantry, and it will last for about a week, so it'll stay for a while. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please contact me at donna@doublervideo.com. Stay tuned for our very next lesson. We are going to be doing a chocolate transfer sheet on peppermint bark. Hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching.